Over time, investing in the stock market has proven to be a good way for long-term investors to increase their wealth. However, investors also understand that the stock market does not generate positive returns each year and can go through periods of significant volatility and potentially negative returns. To mitigate this risk, many investors are looking for ways to diversify their portfolios and generate returns that are not correlated to the stock market. Investing in real estate is one option, but not everyone can afford to buy a property or has the experience to manage a property. And investing in one property may not provide the diversification that you need. The Epiphany Legacy Investment Mutual Fund Trust, or Legacy Investment, is a diversified portfolio of commercial and residential properties designed to provide investors exposure to the real estate market without the challenges of direct property ownership. Legacy Investment utilizes the capital provided from investors to purchase pre-existing multi-unit residential or industrial real estate properties in Western Canada. The income generated from the rental of these properties is distributed back to the investors on a quarterly basis. Over time, the value of these properties may appreciate, and that capital gain is passed back to the investor through an increase in unit prices. The investor also can reinvest the quarterly income distribution to further maximize the value of their investment through compound returns. Our goal at Legacy Investment is to generate consistent income and facilitate the growth of the portfolio by combining investor capital with the consistent cash flow generated by the underlying properties. Our growth strategy is focused around Western Canada's secondary real estate marketplace. We look to acquire commercial and multi-unit residential real estate properties with a proven track record. Our approach is adding properties to the portfolio with a vacancy rate below 5% and an average cap rate of 6% for residential and 6.5% for commercial properties. Our focus is the secondary real estate marketplace in Western Canada, offering affordable, stable, and sustainable property values, higher rental rates, and longer-term value than the higher-cost primary real estate markets of Vancouver, Calgary, and Edmonton. Locations like Lethbridge, Grand Prairie, Cold Lake, Saskatoon, and Brandon, with diversified economies such as light manufacturing, agriculture, potash, oil and gas, and growing populations, are underserved and offer good opportunities for investment. Legacy Investment is seeking to raise $50 million to continue the growth of our portfolio. Our goal is to grow the Legacy Investment Trust in a controlled and intentional manner, resulting in increased value to our investors. Legacy Investment provides two purchase options for investors: Class A units and Class F units for fee-based accounts. The first tranche of Class A units has an annual yield of up to 8.6%, with a total target yearly return of 12% to 15%, and a minimum investment amount of $2,502. The first tranche of Class F units has an annual yield up to 10.6%, with a total target annual return of 14% to 17%, and a minimum investment of $50,004. The trust and business have a diverse and experienced leadership and management team with over 100 years of combined senior management experience. The team's diverse background brings experience and knowledge from capital markets, financial services, and residential and commercial real estate sectors throughout Western Canada. The whole process to invest is managed online through Equivesto, an exempt market dealer, with registration, approval, and the investment process all online. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio, consider the experienced team at Epiphany and the Legacy Investment Mutual Fund Trust, providing investors income and growth through its diverse portfolio of commercial and residential real estate assets. A unique real estate investment designed to provide investors consistent income quarterly and long-term capital growth.